If your prints show ringing, ghosting, surface ripples, or sharp corners that look messy, the problem is usually not speed, it's acceleration and jerk. Today, we'll break down exactly what they are, how they work, and how to tune them correctly on Prusa clones. Welcome to Prusa Clone Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printers. How motion actually works. A 3D printer never instantly moves at full speed. Every move follows this sequence: accelerate, reach cruise speed, decelerate. This motion profile defines how forces are applied to the printer's frame. Speed is simply the maximum velocity, but acceleration determines how aggressively that speed is reached. This is where problems begin. What acceleration really is. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Higher acceleration means faster speed changes, higher mechanical forces, more stress on belts and frame. Physics reminder: force equals mass times acceleration. Prusa clones typically have heavier print heads, less rigid frames, so high acceleration creates vibration. That vibration appears on prints as ringing, echo patterns, surface waves after corners. Lower acceleration reduces these artifacts, but increases print time. What jerk actually means. In 3D printing firmware, jerk does not mean physical jerk exactly. It defines how much speed change is allowed without acceleration ramping. If jerk is high, the printer changes direction more abruptly. Corners are sharper and vibration increases. If jerk is low, direction changes are smoother. Corners are slightly rounded, surface quality improves. Jerk mostly affects corner transitions. Acceleration affects overall motion smoothness. Why speed is not the real problem. You can print at 100 millimeters per second with low acceleration, clean result, 50 millimeters per second with high acceleration, ringing. Speed alone does not damage print quality. Aggressive motion changes do. This is why lowering speed sometimes appears to fix the issue, but it's not addressing the root cause. Interaction between acceleration and jerk. Think of it like this. Acceleration equals how hard you press the gas pedal. Jerk equals how suddenly you snap the steering wheel. High acceleration plus high jerk equals maximum vibration. Low acceleration plus moderate jerk equals balanced performance. They must be tuned together. Safe starting values for Prusa clones. For most Prusa-style clones, print acceleration is 800 to 1200 millimeters per second squared. Travel acceleration is 1500 to 2000 millimeters per second squared. XY jerk is 6 to 8 millimeters per second. These are stable baseline ranges. Do not copy settings from Core Y printers, lightweight direct drive systems, or high-end rigid frames. Hardware matters. Step-by-step tuning method. Proper tuning process. Set conservative acceleration, print a ringing test cube, inspect corners carefully, increase acceleration gradually, stop when ringing becomes visible. Adjust jerk only after acceleration is optimized. Golden rule: change one variable at a time. Do not adjust speed, flow, or retraction during motion tuning. Common mistakes. Increasing jerk to fix blobby corners, raising acceleration to reduce print time, ignoring frame rigidity, over-tightening belts. Mechanical stability always comes first. To summarize, acceleration controls how aggressively your printer moves. Jerk controls how abruptly it changes direction. If you understand motion physics, you control surface quality, vibration, and stability. For more videos on 3D printers, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.